The history of our amazing planet is incredibly long, spanning over 4.5 billion years. Here's a brief overview of some of the major events that have shaped our planet's history. Formation. The planet formed approximately 4.54 billion years ago through the process of accretion. This involved the collision of smaller particles, such as dust and rock, that eventually came together to form the Earth. Early atmosphere. The Earth's early atmosphere was primarily composed of gases such as hydrogen, helium, and methane. It wasn't until later that the atmosphere began to include oxygen. Plate tectonics. Plate tectonics, the movement of the Earth's lithosphere, crust and uppermost part of the mantle, on the asthenosphere, lower part of the mantle, began around 3.2 billion years ago. This movement has shaped the Earth's surface through processes such as volcanic eruptions and the formation of mountains. Evolution of life. The earliest known life on Earth dates back around 3.5 billion years. Over time, life evolved and diversified, eventually leading to the emergence of complex organisms such as plants and animals. Mass extinction events. Throughout the planet's history, there have been several mass extinction events that have wiped out large numbers of species. The most well-known of these events occurred around 65 million years ago and led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Climate change. The Earth's climate has undergone significant changes throughout its history, from ice ages to periods of extreme warmth. These changes have been caused by factors such as changes in the Earth's orbit and volcanic activity. Human impact. In recent centuries, human activity has had a significant impact on the planet's environment. This includes deforestation, pollution, and the release of greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. The history of our planet is complex and fascinating, with many different events and processes shaping the world we live in today. Save and submit cancel. Here are some additional details about the history of our amazing planet. Formation of the Moon. Approximately 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized object collided with the Earth, which led to the formation of the Moon. The debris from the impact eventually coalesced to form the Moon. Oxygenation event. The Earth's atmosphere underwent a significant change around 2.4 billion years ago with the emergence of photosynthetic organisms. These organisms produced oxygen as a byproduct, which eventually led to the oxygenation of the Earth's atmosphere. Continents forming. The Earth's land masses began to form around 2.5 billion years ago through the process of plate tectonics. Over time, these land masses came together to form the continents we know today. Ice ages. The Earth has undergone several ice ages throughout its history, with the most recent one occurring around 2.6 million years ago. During these ice ages, large portions of the Earth's surface were covered in ice, and sea levels were much lower. Supercontinents. Over the course of the Earth's history, several supercontinents have formed and broken apart. The most recent of these supercontinents was Pangaea, which existed around 300 million years ago. Extinction events. In addition to the mass extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs, there have been several other extinction events throughout the Earth's history. These events have been caused by factors such as asteroid impacts, volcanic activity, and climate change. Human civilization. Human civilization began to emerge around 5,000 years ago, and since then, humans have had a significant impact on the planet's environment. This impact has been both positive, through innovations such as agriculture and technology, and negative, through activities such as deforestation and pollution. The history of our planet is a complex and fascinating story that has taken place over billions of years. By studying this history, we can gain a greater appreciation for the Earth and the many processes that have shaped it over time. Save and submit cancel. Here are some additional interesting facts about the history of our amazing planet. Early life. The earliest known fossils of single-celled organisms date back around 3.5 billion years, making them some of the oldest evidence of life on Earth. Great Oxygenation Event. The Great Oxygenation Event, which occurred around 2.4 billion years ago, was a major turning point in the history of life on Earth. It marked the emergence of photosynthesis, which led to the production of oxygen and the eventual oxygenation of the Earth's atmosphere. Snowball Earth. The Earth has experienced several periods of extreme cold, known as snowball Earth events, in which much of the planet's surface was covered in ice. The most severe of these events occurred around 700 million years ago. Permian-Triassic extinction event. The Permian-Triassic extinction event, which occurred around 252 million years ago, was the largest mass extinction event in the history of the Earth. It wiped out an estimated 96% of all marine species and 70% of terrestrial species. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs first appeared on Earth around 245 million years ago, and they dominated the planet for over 170 million years. They were eventually wiped out by an asteroid impact around 65 million years ago. Ice ages. The Earth has experienced several ice ages over the past 2.6 million years, with the most recent one ending around 11,700 years ago. During these periods, large parts of the Earth's surface were covered in ice, and sea levels were much lower. Human evolution. Humans evolved from earlier primates around 6 million years ago, and our species, Homo sapiens, emerged around 300,000 years ago. Over the past 10,000 years, humans have developed agriculture, technology, and civilization, leading to significant changes in the Earth's environment. The history of our planet is a rich and complex story that has unfolded over billions of years. By learning about this history, we can gain a greater understanding of the Earth and the many processes that have shaped it over time. Thanks for watching.